Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to program BMW X1 key fob. Sit in the driver's seat with both keys and close all doors immediately, then switch the ignition to position 1 without starting the engine. Hold the original key near the start button and press the unlock button on the new fob to initiate pairing. Follow the sequence of locking and unlocking doors as instructed to complete the sync. Before we begin, make sure you have both the original and replacement key fobs and fresh batteries installed in each. Turn on cabin lights and disable accessories to reduce electrical interference during programming. Keep your phone nearby for timing and notes, and allow about 10 minutes for the whole procedure. If anything feels off, stop and recheck each step calmly to avoid locking yourself out of the vehicle. Start by inserting the original key and turning the ignition to position 1, then hold the unlock button on that key while you press a button on the new fob to begin pairing. You may need to repeat the press sequence 2 or 3 times until doors lock and unlock to confirm success. Turn ignition off, remove the key, and test remote lock, unlock, and trunk functions to ensure full operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.